Hi, this is Wesley Dodson with Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we have a 1970 Chevrolet Nova we're going to take a look at. This is a really, really nice car, and we do offer shipping and financing is available on this car right here. But we're going to take a look at it here. It is, like I said, a 1970 Chevrolet Nova. It is powered by a 396 big block. Really awesome there. Really beautiful car. Love the yellow. Really looks good on the car. Shines good. It's a sharp car with the black vinyl top. It's got the original SS wheels. Brand new white letter tires. Really looks good there. Really, really sharp. Really looks good. Open the passenger side of the interior here. Oh, nice and clean inside. SS steering wheel. Does have a tack there. Pretty neat. Gauges. Yeah, really nice little car. All the doors look good. Interior's just original. I love it. Carpet looks good. All the headliners in good shape. Take a look inside of the trunk here. Let's see, brown key. All looks good, nice in here. It's got the original floor mats there. I'm a floor mat hater, so I hate floor mats in the cars, and a lot of people like them. So I try to leave them in the trunk for people if they like them. I just hate them. Shut that here. He's going to start it up for us and see how it sounds. Not much better than a 396 starting on a beautiful day. Oh yeah. If there's a better sound than that, I'd like to hear it, because that's a pretty awesome one there. Cut it off. Show you the driver's side of the interior here. Oh, nice and clean. It's got a rare thing here. It's got speakers in the kick panel. Factory kick panel speakers. So that's pretty cool. Oh, the top looks good. Underneath the hood, like I said, it's powered by a 396 big block. Really looks good, all the chrome underneath the hood. You never get enough chrome there. Yeah, big radiator there. Shut the hood. Take one more quick look at it. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. If you have questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. It's 859-621-5572, or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we are going to do a test drive now and see how this baby runs. Here we go. All right, we're going to take this 1970 Chevrolet Nova for a test drive and see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Weather's just perfect. All right, here we go. Does work in the dash. Horn works. All right, here we go. shake, doesn't pull to the left or the right. Just a smooth, straight driving car. All right, we're gonna head back here, and as we do every time, I'm gonna have him get on it just a little bit and see what this Nova is made of. See what kind of power we're working with here. Here we go. Nova here. All right, we are almost back here. Like I said, if you have questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page for more cool muscle cars just like this one. All right, here's the underneath.